The warning check lane change assist function in Hyundai cars has two major culprits: hardware issues, sensors or cameras, or a software problem. If it's a hardware issue, the problem is usually consistent and the message stays on all the time. In such cases, the vehicle will need to be scanned with dealership-grade equipment. Sometimes calibration of the radars and camera will help. Sometimes there are broken or disconnected units in the system, and there is nothing much you can do on your own. But fortunately, hardware issues are not that common for Hyundai cars in terms of adaptive cruise control and lane change assist functions. Also, the good news is that you can easily solve the software problem in 90% of cases without going to the dealership. You will need to download the official software update and use a USB drive to install it in your vehicle. Here's how you can do it. First, Google Hyundai Update Download. You will see the first search result, update.hyundai.com website. Click on this website. You will get to the page with all updates available for free. Now you may use a search with the VIN of your car or just choose the needed model. Let me choose the Hyundai Sonata 2023, for example. On this page you will see all the fresh software updates for your vehicle. In this case, there is an update for the navigation system, exactly what is needed to solve our problem. You may download the software update file and also read how you should prepare the USB drive and also install the update. There is nothing complicated, anyone can do it. From my experience, I can tell you that buying a fresh USB drive of a good brand that has at least 64 GB of space is a good move, since some update files are quite big. Anyway, this is the cheapest way to fix the annoying check lane change assist function warning that prevents your adaptive cruise control and many other functions from working correctly.